Hello, my shining stars. So today we are starting class 4 Learn and Solve Maths by Children Voice publication Riddhi series. So let's start. Now chapter 3 Addition and Subtraction. We have already studied about addition and subtraction up to 4-digit numbers without and with regrouping. In this chapter we shall study addition and subtraction of 5 and 6-digit numbers. But before this, let us revise what we have already learned. So warm up. The first one, add the following, you know very well, 33 plus 28. So what will you get? We will get 61. Similarly, B part 40 plus 90, 130. So we can try remaining parts. ऐसे second question है, subtract the following, like A part 89 minus 10, 79. Then B part 54 minus 34, 4 minus 4, 0, 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, like D part 389 minus 269, 9 minus 9, 0, 8 minus 6, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, now the third one, solve the following, regroup if required, like here B part. So we have 4-digit numbers, add these two numbers. So what to do? First add ones digit, 8 and 7, 15. 5 here, 1 carry 2 tens. So here 6 and 2, 8 and 1, 9. 5 and 6, 11. So 1 here and 1 carry here. 4, 3, 7 and 1, 8. So this is the answer. Okay. Now see C part, like this number, subtraction. So subtract ones digit, 5 minus 1, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. So this is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining part. Now question number 4. Solve the following word problem. There were 4,827 students in a school. 1,773 more students took admission in the school. What is the total number of students at present in the school? So total, it means we have to add these two. So you can try this one. Now we are talking about addition, properties of addition of numbers. The first one is order property. Changing the order of two addends doesn't change the sum. अगर हम numbers का order change कर देते हैं, answer would be same. See here example. They are showing one example like 83,890 plus this number. So we are adding these two numbers, and if we are changing the order, answer is same. Okay, so like 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3 plus 2, that is also 5. Okay, so whatever we are doing, हम जैसे मर्जी एडिशन करें, फर्स्ट प्लस सेकेंड और सेकेंड प्लस फर्स्ट, आंसर वुड बी सेम. Now the second one, additive property of 0. It means by adding 0 to any number, the result would be same. So 0 हम किसी भी नंबर में ऐड करते हैं, आंसर वो नंबर ही आ जाएगा. Like this number plus 0, this number only. 0 plus this number only. Now third one, adding 1. अगर हम 1 ऐड करते हैं किसी नंबर में, we will get the successor of the given number. Like 46 plus 1, 47. 100 plus 1, 101, जो कि successor है 100 का. Now the fourth one, grouping property. The sum of 3 or more numbers does not change even when their grouping is changed. अब आपने क्या करना है, like 3 numbers हैं, आपने first 2 numbers ऐड किए, फिर third number ऐड किया, और what are you doing? You are adding last 2 number and first number you are adding, the result would be same. See here example, solve like 35,287 plus 3,929 plus 101. So whether we are adding first to these, and now we are adding 101 to this number, this is the value. And what we are doing here, we are adding last 2 numbers first, and now we are adding this result to the first number, answer is same. Okay, now we are talking about addition of 5 and 6 digit numbers without regrouping. We have already learned how to add numbers. See the following examples of adding 5 and 6 digit numbers. Example 1, add 61,452 and 28,402. So arrange the numbers, ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. Now add ones. So 2 plus 2, that is 4. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 4, 8. 1 plus 8, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. So this is the answer. Means first we are adding the ones, then add the tens, add the hundreds, add the thousand, add the 10,000. This is the value. Okay. Now the next example, see. This here we have 3 numbers. First arrange the numbers in columns. Now what to do? Add ones. So here 6 plus 5 plus 6, that is 17. So 7 here, 1 carry to the tens column. Add these digits, 8. Now add 100 digit, 8 plus 7, 15 and 8, 23. So 3 here, 2 carry. Now add these, we are getting 15, 5 here, 1 carry. Now add these, we are getting 5 and 9, 14 and 1, 15 and 1, 16, 6 and 1 carry. Now add these, we are getting this number. I hope this is clear to you. Now checking the answer. To check the addition, we subtract one of the addends from the sum. If we get the other addend, the sum is correct. हमने क्या किया? 2 numbers को plus कर दिया. अब जो sum आएगा, sum में से subtract any one number. If you are getting the second number, it means your answer is correct. Like this. Here we have 2 numbers. We are adding these 2. This is the result. Now what to do? From this result, subtract one number. Second number को ही minus कर दिया. We are getting 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 3, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. So this is the first number. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. But we cannot apply this method for more than 2 addends. लेकिन अगर 2 से ज़्यादा numbers हो जाएंगे, we can't do this. So we use it as a common method of counting up and down to check the addition, right? Now assessment 1, question number 1, add these numbers like here A part. Now add the numbers, add ones digit 9 and 8, 17. 1 carry, 7, 2, 9 and 1, 10, 0, 1 carry. We are getting here 9, 7 and 2, 9, 8 and 3, 11. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. Now the second one, find the sum of the following numbers with regrouping. Like here B part, add ones digit, 1 plus 0, 1, 5 plus 2, 7, 8 and 9, 17. So 1 carry, 6, 1 and 1, 8. Now 5 and 2, 7, 6 and 2, 8. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now third one, arrange in columns and add like B part here. So first write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So here 4,72,641. Then 1,63,507. Add these numbers. So what are you getting? 7 and 1, 8. 4 plus 0, 4. 5 and 6, 11. So 1 carry. 3, 2 and 1, 6. Now 7 and 6, 13. So 1 carry. So this is 6,36,148. I hope this is clear to you. Now the next, finding the missing digits in addition. So here some example, filling the missing digits. See here, we have some digits missing. So how to do this? So first see the ones column. Here we have 5 digit missing, 1 and sum is 8. So 5 and 1, 6. तो 6 में हम क्या ऐड करें so that we are getting 8. So 8 minus 6 कर दें, that is 2. So you will write here 2. Okay. Now come to tens, 7 and 5 and here 0. So 7, 5, 12. So here now see the tens digit here, 7, 5 and blank here and 5 here. 7 and 5, 12 and we want 5 here. It means 15 would be there, 7, 5, 12 and here 3. So 15 minus 12 that is 3. So you will write here 3. यहाँ पर आ जाएगा आपका 3. Okay. Now 15 है so 1 carry here. Okay. Now see the 100 column. 100 column में क्या बन जाएगा? 6, 4, 10 and 1, 11. And sum में we are getting 4 something. It means it must be 14. 14 minus 11 that is 3. So here is also 3. Now see the 1000 column. 1000 column में क्या है? यहाँ पर भी carry है. 4 and 2 6 and 1 7 and here 6. So it means ये बनेगा हमारा 16. So 16 minus 7 that is 9. Okay. Now here 1 carry. Now see 10,000. 5, 1, 1, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So answer is 8 here. So like this. It's like a puzzle. You can try. It's like a puzzle. You can try many more like C assessment 2. Write the missing digits in each of the following like A part here. See the ones digit. So ones digit में this is missing here 4. This is 7. तो 4 7 कब बनेगा? जब हम 3 plus 4 करेंगे. Now see tens digit 3 plus 7 10. 0 here. 1 carry to the 100 column. Now see here 7 and 1 and here we want 1. It means 11 होगा यहाँ पर. तो 7, 1 and 8. 8 and 3, 11 and 1 carry to the 1000 column. So see here 1 and 1 2 and here 8. So we can write here 6, 6, 7, 8. Now here 2 plus 3 this is 5. So this is very interesting. So like this you can try these one. Now to find the missing addend. To find the missing addend in an addition sum, the given addend is subtracted from the sum. Very simple. If there are more than 2 addends, the sum of the given addends is subtracted from the sum. See here like example 1. 27 plus dash plus 12 equals to 50. So what to do? Total 50 में से इन दोनों के sum को minus कर दें. 50 minus 39 that is 11. See assessment 3. The first one. Do the following like A part. The sum of two numbers is 8542. If one number is this, find the other. So how we can find the other? 8542 में से first number को minus कर देंगे. So 2 minus 0 2. 4 minus 6 not possible. Borrow करेंगे. 14 minus 6 8. This becomes 4. 4 minus 8 not possible. Borrow करेंगे. 14 minus 8 6 and this is 7 minus 4 3. So this is the number. Similarly you can try the rest one. Now addition by estimation. The knowledge of rounding of numbers is very useful in estimating the sum. For example, if you get 313 gram of beans, 2017 gram of potatoes, 408 gram of tomatoes and 1503 gram of onions, what is the approximate total weight of the vegetables? तो हम क्या करेंगे? Rounding off कर देंगे. 313 that is 300 gram of beans. 2017 gram को हम 1000 में कर देते हैं. That is 2000 gram of potato. 408 है तो इसको हम 100 में कर देते हैं. That is 400 and 1503 gram of onion है, इसको हम nearest 100 में कर दें यानी 1500. तो अब हम सबको ऐड कर देंगे. This is the answer 42 gram. So however the exact total weight equals, अगर हम exact weight निकालें, this is 4241 gram. So the estimated sum and the actual sum are different but are quite close to each other. होंगे तो ये different but they are close to each other. Now calculate the sum of the following numbers by estimation. Check how different by actual addition. Like example A part 8593 and 448 by rounding off to the nearest tens. So 8593 क्या बन जाएगा? 8590 and 448 450. दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. Estimated sum is 9040 और actual sum निकालेंगे. This is 9041. Okay. Now B part here 2311, 53,299 and 23,776 by rounding off the nearest 100. अब 100 में करना है round off, so 2311 बनेगा 2300, 53,299 ये बन जाएगा 300, 53,300 और 23,776 this is nearer to 800, तो this is the number. अब estimated sum तीनों को add कर देंगे, this is the value and the actual sum, this is the actual sum. Now C part 54,188 and 23,903 by rounding off to the nearest 1000. अब 1000 में करना है round off, so this becomes 54,000 and this becomes 24,000. दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे 78,000 and the actual sum is this one. So I hope this is clear to you. Now assessment 4, calculate the following sums by estimation and find the actual sum. Like here B part 7,602 plus 4,892 to the nearest tens. तो tens में ये क्या बन जाएगा 7,600 and this is 4,890. तो दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे and now find the actual sum. 4,892, this is the actual and this is the estimated. Similarly you can try the rest one. Now we are talking about word problems. 84,078 adults and 14,670 children have a bank account. What is the total number of people who have bank account? तो हम क्या कर देंगे दोनों को add, so that is the answer. Now assessment 5, the first one, in a book exhibition the sales on Friday and Saturday were this one and this one respectively. Calculate the total sale, यानी इन दोनों को हम ऐड कर देंगे. The second one, the salary of Gurpreet's father is rupees 10,482 and Gurpreet's mother's salary is 10,987. So what is the monthly income of his mother and father together? यानी इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. Similarly you can try these sums. Now we are talking about subtraction, properties of subtraction. The first one, order property. While subtracting we cannot change the order of the numbers. The bigger number have to be written first. हम कभी भी order change नहीं कर सकते, हमेशा बड़े नंबर में से हम छोटे नंबर को माइनस करेंगे, right? Like here 148 minus 100 is 48, but 100 minus 148 is not defined. Similarly 218 minus 80 we are getting 138, but 80 minus 218 करेंगे, that is not defined. Now the second one, subtraction by 1. अगर हम 1 minus करते हैं we get the predecessor of that number. Like 24 minus 1 is 23 and this number minus 1, 1,327, like this. Now remember, when we subtract 10, 100,000 etc. from a number, the digits in the tens, hundreds and thousand places respectively decrease by 1, whereas other digits remain the same. Now the third one, subtraction by 0. अगर हम 0 subtract करेंगे from any number, the answer is the number itself. 9 minus 0, 9. 133 minus 0, 133. Now subtraction of a number from itself, अगर हम किसी नंबर को उसी में से माइनस कर देंगे, answer would be 0. Now the next is subtraction of 5 and 6 digit numbers without borrowing. In the previous class we have learned to subtract 4 digit numbers without borrowing. Now applying the same method we can subtract larger number. See example, subtract 41,436 from 57,858. So first arrange the numbers. तो जिसमें से हम माइनस कर रहे हैं that is the minuend, जिसको हम माइनस करते हैं that is the subtrahend, and whatever the answer that is the difference. So first subtract the ones. 8 minus 6, 2. Subtract tens. 5 minus 3, 2. Subtract hundreds. 8 minus 4, 4. Subtract thousands. 7 minus 1, 6. subtract 10,000, 5 minus 4, that is 1. So this is the number. Now, subtraction of 5 and 6 digit numbers by regrouping. We have learned how to subtract 4 digit numbers using regrouping method. Look at the following example to know about subtraction of 5 and 6 digit number using regrouping. See example, subtract 1,92,986 from 4,35,679. So first write this number and then write the first one. Okay, now what to do? According to the place, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. Now subtract ones, 9 minus 6, 3. Subtract 10, 7 minus 8 not possible because 7 is less than 8. तो हम करेंगे borrow 100 से, ये बन जाएगा 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Okay, and this 100 digit would be 5. Okay, now see 100 digit 5 minus 9 not possible. तो borrow करेंगे 1000 से, this becomes 15 and this becomes 4. So 15 minus 9, that is 6. Now 4 minus 2, this is 2. Now 10,000 digit 3 minus 9 not possible. Borrow करेंगे lakh digit से, this becomes 13, this becomes 3. 13 minus 9, 4. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So this is the answer, 2,42,693. Now checking subtraction by addition, हम अपना आंसर भी चेक कर सकते हैं. How? We can check our subtraction result by adding the difference to the number which is subtracted. Suppose these are the two numbers, हमने minus किया. This is the result. So now what to do? The difference plus smaller number, इन दोनों को add करेंगे. If we are getting the minuend, it means our answer is correct. So we are adding these two, we are getting the same number minuend. So it means our answer is correct. You can see difference is minuend minus subtrahend and minuend equals to difference plus subtrahend. Now assessment 6, the first one, filling the blanks. The A part, 65,628 minus 1. You will get its predecessor. Okay, now B part minus 0 करेंगे, we will get the same number only. Okay, now here same number minus same number, 0. D part dash minus 849 equal to 0, so 849. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The second one, subtract the following, like B part here. So first start from ones digit, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 6, 3, 8 minus 3, 5, 8 minus 5, 3, 5 minus 0, 5, 9 minus 3, 6. Similarly, we can try rest parts. So third question, find the difference between the following and verify your answer by addition. So you can try this one. Now the next we are talking about subtraction by estimation. Similar to estimation in addition, we can perform subtraction using the knowledge of estimation. For example, if we want to find the estimated difference between 4,893 and 824, we can round off the numbers to the nearest hundreds. See, this number 4,893 gets rounded off to 4,900 and 824 rounds off to 800. So what is the estimated difference? दोनों को minus कर देंगे, 4,100. Similarly, we can find the actual difference. So this is 4,069. Now example, calculate the difference between the following numbers by estimation. Check how different it by actual subtraction. A part, 32,528 and 28,383 to the nearest 100. So what will you get? So 32,528, you will get 32,500 and 28,383, you will get 28,400. दोनों को minus कर देंगे, we will get 4,100. Now actual difference, that is 5,144. Now the next is 3,25,188 and this 1,87,000 23 to the nearest 1000. So what to do? राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, ये आ जाएगा आपके पास 3,25,000 एंड दिस वन इज 1,87,000. दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे 1,38,000 एंड द एक्चुअल डिफरेंस इज this one. So now assessment 7, the first one, calculate the following difference by estimation to the nearest tens or hundreds and check it with actual subtraction. Like B part, 6,718 minus 3,743, nearest tens. So what will you get? 6,720 and 3,740 because 43 is nearer to 40. दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे. So what will you get? 12 minus 4 8. This is 6. 16 minus 7 9. This is 5. 5 minus 3 2. Okay. So now this is the estimated difference. Now you can find the actual one. 743. So 8 minus 3 5. 1 minus 4 not possible. So borrow. 11 minus 4 7. 16 minus 7 9. This is 2,975. So I hope similarly you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about word problems. Example 1. A farmer planted 32,500 wheat saplings in his field. 15,329 of these were damaged by pest. So how many saplings are healthy? It means subtraction. So total, then damaged and then healthy minus कर देंगे. This is the answer. Now example 2, find the number which makes 16,990 when added to 9,720. So given number is 16,990. इसमें से माइनस कर देंगे, यानी इसमें हम क्या ऐड करें कि ये आंसर आ जाए. So this minus this, so 7,270. Now assessment 8. Like the first one, Rehan made 14,506 runs in his cricket career and Sameer made 10,904 runs. So who made more and by how much? तो हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे. You have to write the statements and then subtract it. So very simple. So first subtract ones digit. 6 minus 4 2, 0 minus 0 0. 5 minus 9 not possible. 15 minus 9 6. 3 minus 0 3. So this is the answer. Similarly we can try the rest one. Like what number must be subtracted from this to get this? यानी इसमें से इसको माइनस कर देंगे. Now combined addition and subtraction. While doing a sum of addition and subtraction together, first rearrange the numbers which are to be added and find their sum. Then subtract the given number from the sum. See example 43,420 plus 34,616 minus 35,016. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे first. So add these two numbers. 0 plus 6 6, 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 6 10. So 0 here 1 carry. 4 3 and 1 8. 4 plus 3 7. अब इसमें से इस नंबर को माइनस कर देंगे. Very simple. So this is the answer. Now example 2, solve 69,004 minus this. Now we can see two numbers we have to subtract. So what to do? We first subtract one number from the bigger number. पहले इन दोनों को माइनस कर दें, फिर जो रिजल्ट आएगा उसमें से इसको माइनस कर देंगे. Again we subtract the second number from the difference. Okay, so first subtract these two. This is the value. अब इसमें से थर्ड नंबर माइनस करेंगे. So answer is 4,361. So assessment 9, the first one, solve like B part here. 58,168 minus 83,794 plus 43,618. तो पहले इन दोनों को हम प्लस कर देंगे और फिर उसमें से इसको माइनस. ओके, सो 58,000 168 plus 43,618. So 8 plus 8, 16. 6, 1, 1, 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 8 and 3, 11. 5 and 4, 9 and 1, 10. So 1,01,786. अब इसमें से आप सेकंड नंबर को माइनस कर सकते हैं. So 83,794. I hope you can try this one on your own. Very simple. Now similarly you can try the remaining parts. Now the second question, subtract this from the sum of this and this. It means पहले इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे और फिर इस नंबर को माइनस. The third one, in a city 32,808 people travel by bus, 21,408 have their own vehicle and the rest by public transport. If there are total people in this city, find how many travel by other means. It means इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे और टोटल में से माइनस. सो आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. यू कैन ट्राई द फोर्थ वन ऑल्सो. ऐसे ही हमारे पास MCQs हैं. वी कैन ट्राई. क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग है, एक्सपेरिमेंटल लर्निंग है और मैथ्स लैब एक्टिविटी है एंड एप्टीट्यूड रीजनिंग. आई होप द कॉन्सेप्ट इज very much clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.